Hey everyone and welcome. If you've ever found yourself stuck in full screen mode on TradingView or you're not sure how to get in or out of it, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to enter and exit full screen mode in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch in and out of full screen like a pro, so you can focus on your charts without any distractions, or quickly get back to your tools and tabs when you need them. Let's get started. So you might be interested in focusing totally on your chart, blocking out all the side menus and distractions. That's where full screen comes in. To enter full screen mode on TradingView, you've got two super easy options. First, look up at the very top right corner of your TradingView window. You should see an icon that looks like two diagonal arrows pointing away from each other. Just give that a click. Almost instantly, your chart will fill up your entire screen, hiding all the extra controls and menus. This can be a real game changer, especially when you want to analyze price action without the clutter, or if you're presenting your charts in a meeting or recording a video for your own audience. Now, if you'd rather use your keyboard, maybe you're a shortcut kind of person, there's a handy trick for that too. Just press Shift and the F key at the same time like this, Shift plus F. If you're on a laptop or desktop, that keyboard shortcut jumps you straight into full screen mode without ever having to take your hands off the keyboard. This is perfect if you're in the zone and want to keep your workflow smooth and fast. Alright, so now you're in full screen. But what if you need to quickly escape out of that mode? Maybe you need to check your drawing tools, switch between different charts, or just get back to your browser tabs. Don't worry. Exiting full screen is just as simple. The quickest way is to press the escape key on your keyboard. It usually says ESC in the top left corner. Tapping it once pulls you right out of full screen, bringing back all your usual menus and panels. Think of it like a quick exit hatch, super useful if you ever feel a bit lost or stuck in that immersive view. And if you remember the shortcut we used to enter full screen, Shift plus F, well, you can use that same shortcut to exit too. It acts like a switch, toggling you in and out of full screen as needed. Sometimes, especially if you're new to TradingView or using a different keyboard layout, you might need to try both methods to see which one feels more natural. Don't worry if you accidentally hit the wrong key, nothing will get broken. At worst, you'll just slip in and out of full screen mode until you're comfortable. And that's really all there is to it. With just a click in the top right corner or a quick Shift plus F on your keyboard, you can enter or exit full screen in TradingView anytime you want. It's a small trick, but once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it, especially when you need to focus on those crucial market moments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about full screen mode or other TradingView features, just drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you and I try to answer every question I can. And if you want more practical TradingView tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.